Kubasi and distort the peace and security of these two towns. The concerned citizens of Kubasi are ready to sacrifice anything to prevent any attempt by this chief to bring down the authority of Kubasi man. As we are all aware, Late comprises of Kubasi and Ahinase, which is a historically documented fact. The concerned citizens of Kubasi have observed for almost a decade now with displeasure that the actions of the chief of Ahinase through various avenues to subdue the sovereignty of Kubasi mind, proclaiming himself as chief of Late. Oye amani awone osomuso odi bomu binu ene beye na kan ya se bi nyina esi e be se ye da na bi se oba krom ha